Imagine being able to play the piano effortlessly and without any hand fatigue. Well, it all starts with how you sit at the piano and how you place your fingers on it. Get this right, and everything you do will feel easy. First, posture. Your body is your instrument too.
Sit up straight but relaxed. Don't stiffen your shoulders. Feet flat on the floor. Wrists and elbows relaxed at keyboard level.
The next thing is our hand position. Imagine holding a small ball in your hand. That natural curve is the shape your fingers should make over the keyboard.
Let's fix this position. Fingers relaxed and slightly curved. Thumb resting on its side. Knuckles raised. Don't collapse your fingers. Keep them ready to move independently. Piano notation uses finger numbers to guide you. Thumb is 1, index is 2, middle is 3, ring is 4, and the pinky is 5.
Good posture plus the correct hand shape equals to effortless playing with maximum comfort and control. Watch.
Here's the difference between playing a scale with good hand position and fingering and bad hand position fingering. It's flimsy and weak.
Start each session by checking your posture and your hand position. It only takes about 30 seconds to do it, but it makes all the difference. I've linked a handy diagram in the description showing finger numbers and pointers for proper hand shape and position, so be sure to check it out. If this helped, subscribe and comment below. Which hand position tip was most useful to you? See you in the next lesson and stay musical.